So if you're one of those people that don't like to see the lines on the can in the cranberry sauce and you like to make it on your own, and another big thing to reclaim your Thanksgiving is get this done 4 days ahead of time. It's not gonna hurt you at all. So we're gonna start out with cranberries, just a tiny bit of oil, so olive oil there, and we're gonna give those a toss, and that's gonna have the sugar stick to it. That's what makes cranberry sauce good. Otherwise, it's just kind of really tart, and that's not too much. Just so they're nice and coated, just like that, like little tiny sugar berries. So now what we're gonna do is zest these little guys, these little mandarins on there. We're gonna save these guys and we're gonna squeeze them onto the sauteed shallot later. And then we're gonna do a lemon in there as well, also saving the juice. Now we're gonna give these guys a little toss. I like a little spice. We're gonna use a little jalapeno here, fresh. But first, I can smell it already that it's spicy, so. No, it's perfect. So a couple slices, depending on how spicy you like it. Some people don't like spice in their cranberry, but this is delicious. So, all right, so we got our shallot, and we're not gonna use all of this. Got a little knob of ginger. We're just gonna do a little tiny chop on this guy. It doesn't have to be super refined or anything, because we're gonna saute this down on a medium heat. It's about 2 tablespoons of shallot there, kind of rough chopped. And then we're gonna smash this ginger up. Slice that, dice that a little bit more than the shallot. Put that down on low heat and let those flavors combine. So we got our ginger and our shallot all translucent and cooked out. So what we're gonna do now is add a little stab of vinegar. Got this nice honey white balsamic vinegar. Just about 3 tablespoons there. And then this gorgeous pomegranate molasses. And we're gonna do just a touch of that. 3 tablespoons. And then we're gonna do the juice of our little cute oranges. So now we're gonna put this back on the heat and we're gonna get it on medium heat, medium-low heat, and we're gonna reduce this by half. We're gonna get this pan super hot on the coals and we're gonna blister our cranberries. Look at that. Woo. Oh yeah, buddy. That's all we need. Look at that. Cooked out. So now we got this, we have our vinegar and orange juice reduced way down to a nice syrup. Now we're gonna add these two together. Look at that. Oh man. And then we're gonna do a pinch of salt in there. Oh, look at that. Wood-fired jalapeno cranberry sauce. Mm. That's so good. I mean, taste that wood smoke, it's crazy. All right, so 3 days to Thanksgiving, we got this beautiful wood-fired cranberry and jalapeno sauce ready to go. We're gonna put that in a nice airtight container, bring it back out day of. So much better than the canned stuff. Nothing against the canned stuff because people love it, but and so do I. But this is just so good.